How to fix login error on H&M. To fix if you're not being able to log into the H&M app, the first thing to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the H&M app on Android phone, you can long press the H&M app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. On iPhone, you can try to offload the app. Now once you're here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files and also try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for the H&M app. Check if the app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And if you're still not being able to log in, then chances are that you could be entering an incorrect credential. So you want to make sure that your email address associated with your H&M account is correct and that you have an active account, and also to enter your password correctly. In case you forgot your password, you can try to reset it as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.